Are you also someone who wishes that their passport photo or their Aadhaar photo did not look like this? Well, count me in, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a no makeup look, which honestly is perfect for occasions like this where you have to go out for your driver's license photo or any government ID. I feel like I woke up out of bed and just entered the office with a photo. But for you guys who may still have a chance of redemption, this video is perfect, and not just for those things, but if you're someone who goes to college or just starting off office, this makeup look is perfect for you. It uses minimal products and can help you go from this to this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. Having said that, let's jump right in. So step 1 is prepping the canvas for the makeup to go on, and honestly this is a very crucial step. Your skin needs to be moisturized really well. Only then the foundation and the concealer is going to go onto your skin really well, and it'll blend out very smoothly so it'll look like it's not makeup but your actual skin. Do not forget an SPF. I use the Instant Fusion water. I would recommend this actually. In fact, Alia Bhatt also uses this. And lastly, for prepping your skin, you need a good lip balm so that your entire skin, including your lips, is well moisturized. Starting off with the makeup, always remember that your base is the boss, and what you basically need to do is achieve an even skin tone while keeping it looking extremely natural. So you can use an extremely light coverage foundation or a face tint or just a BB cream. I am, however, going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is slightly medium to full coverage, but I'm going to use very little, just enough to even out my skin texture and hide the blemishes as much as I can without going overboard and without making it look like I've put a lot of foundation. So I'm using my beauty blender. I feel like it's very good to blend out the foundation or the base really well. I'm going to use very little and just dab it all over my face. After that, I'm going to go in with the concealer to cover my dark circles and just brighten my under eye a little bit. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, very affordable option. Absolutely abide by this concealer. Another one is the Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, again an affordable option and a great one to pick out for yourself. Blending honestly is the key to achieving a no makeup look. So you have to make sure that you're blending in really well. Now that I'm done with the base, I think you'll notice a huge difference in the before and after. Even then, you might still see a little bit of blemish or a dark spot here and there on my face, because the idea is to keep it as natural as possible, but just ensuring that you achieve an even skin tone. So that's what I've tried to do. Now we're going to move on to the lashes, the brows and the eyes. Very minimal product. I'm going to skip my eyeliner altogether because you want to keep it looking very fresh and minimal. So I'm going to stick to just the mascara. However, I'm going to use a little bit of the brown eyeliner. And don't forget your bottom lashes as well. So you can see the difference between the one with the mascara and the one without the mascara, and it gives a very clean, minimal look. Now I'm using the brown eyeliner just in the outer corners of my lower eyelid. And I don't go all the way in till the tear ducts, I just do it till like half the lid. And for the brows, I'm just going to brush it out with this spoolie brush. I feel like my brows are already kind of dark, so I don't go in with any additional makeup on it. I just like to brush it out so it looks more organized and neat. Now we're going to move on to add some color onto our faces, and a blush is what you need for that. I'm using a very nudish pinkish color. This is called Peaches from MAC, but Maybelline and L'Oreal have some really affordable blushes. In fact, Maybelline Fit Me range is a great one. You can get foundations, BB creams, blushes. Yeah, I think a lot of those products in that range at affordable prices. Don't miss out the description box. I'm repeating it again and again because I've listed down all affordable products there. So I'm going to go in with the blush, very little bit, tap out the excess and just go on to the apple of your cheeks or just the cheekbones. The idea is to build up the blush. Don't go in with a lot of it at one time. Just try to build it up as much as you want. Again, obviously not going overboard with it. To add further color to your face, we're going to use a natural lip color. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I would highly recommend that you get this. It's slightly on the expensive side, I would agree, but you also get a tinier version of it. It's a sample size product. You can get that for yourself. And if you're a gloss girl, you can also go in with a little bit of clear lip gloss. This is slightly tinted with a nude color. This is from Too Faced. I've applied just a little bit to add that sheen to my lips. And there you have it. This is the final no makeup look with minimal products without going overboard or extra with anything. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys liked it. If you want me to do more such tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. But just a disclaimer, I'm not a makeup pro. I usually do only everyday looks, or the more I learn, I start applying it in my everyday makeup routine. So anyway, do let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and will execute it. If you do, make sure to tag me, post it on your Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. Follow me there as well. That's it for today. I'm going to sign off and I will see you guys in my next video on Sunday really soon. Bye-bye.